Crewton Ramone tells him math. It is so sad. Oh dear. Because what we're talking about here is that he gave me this big old problem, but it's all positive. X to the third plus 5x squared plus 12x plus 18. And then I explained to him my thinking, my rationale. Let's see if I can redo it. Let's see if I can rethink on how I got the factors.
I wish I was over there to hold the camera for you.
I wish you were over here to hold the camera for me too, or anybody. I need a production assistant. I need a PA, or I need a tripod. I think I could just stick it on the tripod. But then, see, the problem with the tripod is then you just get this all the time, and it just looks like that, and you never can swing the camera around and see the kid and see what's going on. Anyway, all right.
You should mail this camera to me, and I can do it.
I just mail it through the thing. You could be taking. You've got all kinds of devices that you could be doing. Anyway, all right. So here's what I'm thinking. I know it's going to be x to the third, so there's my x to the third that I just drew, right? But then I was thinking, all right, it's either going to be 3 for 18. The answer is there. Is it going to be 3 times 6 or 2 times 9? So down here, okay, I put 2, and if I put 2 there, then I have to put 3 there because I have to have 5x squared. So then I have to have 2, 4, 6, and then I have to have 9 more there, so it's certainly not going to work, right? And I just look at the 12x, and I can see that, well, it's only 12x, so 9 probably is going to be too much. So 2 times 9 out of there. So then how do I arrange it? And I didn't even do this at first. I didn't show this at first. What I did was I just talked about how I thought about it. And the way I thought about it is, well, if I have an x to the third, and I need to put 5 in there, well, 3 of them should probably go there, and that means I have to have 2 here. I'm just placing my x squareds. And don't be fooled, those are x squared, the long one, x to the second power. Okay, so then I know, and already I look at that and I'm home free. Because there's 6, and there's 6, there's my 12x, and 3 times 6 is 18. Right? And I know that if I put 3 there, I'm going to have 3 and 3 there. Okay, so then my factors are very simple. X squared plus 2x plus 6, and x plus 3. Right? From here to here, it's x plus 3, and anywhere along there, it's x squared, 2x, and 6. Just counting the factors. Does that make sense? All right. So you want to make up another one? Make up one that has some negative factors.
Okay.
All right. So there, he's got his x to the third in there. Remember, this is a 10-year-old kid.